Question 8. Kate was putting away her texters. 3 had no lids, so were dried out. Kate had 2 more texters with lids than without. How many texters did Kate have still with lids? This question is about texters. One quantity has no lids and the other quantity has lids. The first thing I need to do is work out which of these two quantities is the larger one. To find that, I'm looking for the comparison word of more or fewer, and I can see it here. I'm going to read this to work out which quantity has more. Kate had 2 more texters with lids than without. So the with lids is the bigger quantity. So I'm going to put that on the top line in blue. That will be my biggest or largest quantity. That means that in green on the line below, I'm going to put the texters with no lids. And this will be the smaller quantity and the difference. Kate was putting away her texters. 3 had no lids. Now my no lids is green, and this is telling me that 3 had no lids. So I can pop the 3 on. They were dried out. Kate had 2 more texters with lids than without. This 2 more is telling us that we know the difference is 2. How many texters did Kate have still with lids? So the lids is the unknown. We need to find out how many still have lids. For the plan, I know the smaller quantity and I know the difference. So I'm going to use this plan because that will tell me the larger quantity. So the smaller quantity of 3, add the difference, will give me the unknown, which is the larger quantity. 3 add 2 is 5. So I think this is 5. I'm going to check my maths by pushing 5 cubes on. Yes, that fits. I've got 3 without lids, and the difference of 2 makes 5 with lids. The last thing I need to check is the question. How many texters did Kate have still with lids? She had 5 with lids.